welcome to my new intro.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
So yes guys, I am on the road and I'm showing you guys some clips, some place that I will be passing. This is Texas guys. I don't know if there's a school over there, but I see some kids running, you know. Golden Chick, they have a place over there named Golden Chick. I never see anything like that in Atlanta. Just stay tuned guys. I think that's like a pond over there, like a fishing pond. Let me rest my phone right here. Be able to see as usual road work are going, you know. Road work are going everywhere, Atlanta, all about, you know, because I passed through a lot of different states and it have a lot of road work are going. It's me, bushy. So stay tuned. Bomba is a beginner. Big old rotted gas station. What the gas station big, sir? Jesus. Road guys. So guys, we got that there. Contain water. Da 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 da. Yo, I think we're coming up to something like I think it's a plaza or a mini mall or whatever it be. It have a Applebee's over there. Come to think about it, I have some Applebee's gift card. It have Gap. It's a plaza. Let us say plaza. You know, like it have franchise of store. Like it have Old Navy, Gap, all in kind of. Why the man choose to come and come black out my thing? People see the man out of order, clear, no star. What outside on is when these McDonald's people you can't hungry now? Can't hungry for it. Every turn to one food spot. Unless you don't want to eat. So tight. Guys, this is Louisiana. This is Louisiana, guys. This is as I call a wait station over there. The wait station. The way vehicle. You know. It have Louisiana tours stuff. If you wanna get information, they're saying that we're almost at the tourist information. Turn up, It says if you get injured, she said make him pay. Yes, make him pay. So guys, we got this view right here. This is beautiful. Over there, the soul. Look at this view, guys. It's Wayne. Ship. So yes, people, everywhere you go you see a lawyer advertise something. Yeah, look down there some people, look down there some road bands up a road, could I? Wow. So I'm going over stuff over there. So There is a long bridge over there. The bridge over there, so it's long. Do you see the water? That very long bridge. We actually they found one bridge right now, no people. Go there. The bridge long. You know? These people. Yes, guys. I'm gonna hear my voice, guys, because I was sleeping. I went and sleep. Come back out and I sleep a lot. You know? So get into it, guys. Ah, very big. There's a big casino over there, people, as you can see. There's a casino. You know? So yeah, just stay tuned. The journey still begins. This is a very long bridge, guys, with some butter into the water. Some part is just an overhead road. It's a guys. Yes, people. We're still in Louisiana. Look at that view. Look at the view. Sing, chang, 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 chong, lang, ching. I think over there, they're gonna plant corn. You see the big machine there. I don't know if you can see it because the vehicle is moving. We can realize the land is plow. That's what I'm calling. Somebody can correct me. To have like a little pond. Run through it, guys. I don't know what's that, but I think they're planting corn over there, as you guys can see. I don't know what them something there, but them board up there, so I can't tell you now. But guess what? Nature is beautiful, right? Nature is beautiful. You see me? Guys, actually it is cotton. I just realized it's cotton. You know? Yes, guys. I don't know, cotton like cotton swab. Cotton. Yes, people. Yes, so it's actually cotton. Yes. So guys, it's night now. I was actually sleeping when my wake up night come down. I think this is Mississippi. We're in Mississippi. The place dark. Guys, we stop at our rest stop. This is our rest stop. Stop at the rest stop, and I'm gonna use the bathroom in here. So yes, guys, we're at Mississippi. I am super tired, and I sleep most of this trip. You don't want me to be a co-driver with you, because I'm gonna sleep the whole time, guys. I sleep the whole trip. Like honestly, I did. Yeah. So guys, this is me. I am very cold. I'm not having a breath here, people. So yes guys, I am cold. Big sweatpants. Big sweatpants. Bang, bang. I won't warm up myself. So yes, people, it is cold outside, very cold. We're in Mississippi. Let me go out because the boss are waiting for me. Okay. Before I get cussed out. So guys, stay tuned. We still have to pass through Alabama, then Georgia. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, as you can see, we are driving out of Mississippi and we are heading to Alabama. Yes guys, we're heading to Alabama. If you reach this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for, guys? What are you waiting for? What you waiting for? And also guys, please, I want you to check out this channel for me, and it's called Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. And also guys, I want you guys to run over to C&G Daily Updates. That's my next channel. And guys, the link for these two channels that I put will be in the description box down below. So yes guys, I stopped at a truck stop to get some snack because I kind of feel snackish. Not hungry, snackish. You see me? So we have to stop to get some. Listen guys, they have everything at this truck stop. Everything. If you're sick, them have condom, them have all kind of stuff, guys. You can't run out of nothing but the food. Guys, I see some T-bone steak. Them white like toilet paper. Like them just dip it in some boiling water and take it out. Just a creel it. Them all, everything, condom, watch the Durex. So if you want to do something, you can protect yourself. Yes, what I got in the store. You know, funny and sprinkles and pretzels. Yes, guys. I'm not gonna eat up all of them in a, but I'm gonna be munching through each of them. Let me show you guys outside. There's a lot of vehicle out there. Big vehicle, big machine. Is it a call it? So yes, people right there. So watch myself through the camera when you can see me. Guys, the vehicle washed today. And you want to tell me, say, the bugs there and stuff? Trust me, you know when I drive, look up in a bug. We actually went to the wash today. And so sorry for the messy glass. You know, but we went to the wash today. Yeah, look at that. But I'm afraid to drive them big truck. I mean, now that. I'm afraid. People. And I'm driving the truck like nothing. I'll be so scared, guys. Yes guys, we just reached Alabama. So you don't know. You don't know. So we reached Georgia. Yes guys, we're in Alabama at this moment. I have to talk low because he's on a call. Hey guys, we're heading to Georgia, guys. Oh, the gas station is big. Guys, we're in Georgia now. With that, look how with your Georgia now. Nice. Me back to my side. She put up in the bed. Georgia, here I come. So this guys, as you can see, arrived in Georgia. We're heading to park the vehicle to go home. We're in somewhere. Georgia. Somewhere. Somewhere straight over there. Noise. Alright, that's a shame. Guys, if you want some cars to buy, you come over here. You don't look at this guy. See, they might get free promotion, you know? Free promotion. See the daylight up, guys. For those who don't know, Georgia is bush. Georgia is bush, guys. And I went to New York the other day, guys, and trust me, if New York wasn't a cold state, I would have considered come up here for live. But because I don't like the cold, that's me. You understand? You don't have to drive. You can walk around this stuff. If you want something, you can go right around this stuff. You just go on the road right this. Don't stop me.
And I better
like
be
New York.
real. Guys, walk upstairs with the sugar and salt, T-bone steaks, the more sugar and salt. You need to like black pepper and salt. KFC over there with a good chicken sandwich, and chicken sandwich is nice. Yeah, so this is Georgia. Then I mean, yeah yo, right, that's a shit. Captain D's with the salt food. Checkers with the island fries. And curry gooders with the annoying laugh. And bush again, and more bush and bushes overall, bushes. You know, Georgia is country, guys, so that's what I talk about. Give them something to talk about, but me not gonna make them draw me out. There's no more you and me, yeah. Take me name out on a nasty mouth. Bushy Georgia, right up. Yeah. So yes, guys, this is the first night I went to Florida. This is Florida, guys. I didn't really do a lot of vlog in Florida because my phone did dead. Most of them I want me do a snap, so that's the reason why I chippy in the snap, guys. This is the first night. Then the next day, as you can see, guys, I went to this spot. I throw on my wig for my head, come pull out the next ear there. I throw on my wig, I go on look a spot here. That's sit down spot where we sit down and eat and drink some margarita. You saw me I say, and go on with myself, sing and laugh, and you know, go on with myself and all these things. Oh, now I never get over you until I say. Guys, I don't want to get no copyright, so guess what? I gotta voice over this. So yes, people, as I am saying, if you reach this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? And guys, please remember that you can also join my membership and make me do a quick members shout out. Big up to all my membership and the family. Big up to AG Band Jamaican. Big up to Southside. Big up to Foreign TTB. You understand? Big up my sister to VS Kitchen and Lifestyle. And then guys, this is the next day I went to Applebee's. I went and get some stuff there. Everybody know me love Applebee's. I love big back ribs. So yes, this is it, guys. So yes, guys, I just leave the restaurant and heading somewhere else. You know, so driving around in the town. I was supposed to do more vlog there, but I did not get a chance. Why didn't? Oh yes, guys, my phone went dead. One at a time. My phone went dead. I'ma end up having to go hunt a charger if I buy. It was a whole lot, guys. You know. So yes, guys, please remember to subscribe to my channel, share this video, tell a friend to tell a friend about life with Corey Goodas, guys. Check out my next channel, check out Via's channel, and big up on yourself, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying my video. You know, I hope I enjoy my video. I can give you everything I hold. Baby, come on with me. I know. Yes, guys, I was at a club in Florida. I'm not gonna tell you guys where in Florida I was, but yes, I was in Florida. I was in a club right here, guys. I was having fun. You know, I sit at the bar. I have a studio drink. You know, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So yes guys, I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Y'all see how many states I've been in 1 week. Just stay tuned guys. The video not done yet. The video not done yet. No, it's not done. I want to see what I have on. I'm rocking this guys. I'm actually going somewhere. Yes, I'm going somewhere. But you know it's kind of cool. Well, not kind of cold. So I have on a jacket over my clothes. So just stay tuned. You know, when we finish, I'm gonna fix my ear. Big up on us. So guys, I'm leaving Florida now. From Florida to Atlanta, then from Atlanta to New York. So yes guys, I have to go back to my hometown in order to figure New York. You see me? So guys, just stay tuned. I'm actually enjoying myself. I'm having a good time. And yes, I deserve this. I work hard. I go to school. So when I take breaks to myself, just make me enjoy it, please. Yes, guys. I want to send love to everybody. All my supporters. Watch your master it. Yeah. Guys, don't watch my ear messy. You want brush tongue. I want to send love to all my supporters. You know? You don't know it's all about love. You know? So just stay tuned. So guys. So this guy you can see. Guys, look at that. So guys, I am heading to Atlanta, then from Atlanta to New York. So just stay tuned guys. So guys, I am is waiting on the train. Why? For those who don't know, Atlanta airport is very big. It is very big, guys. I actually have to wait on the train. I don't know why they put this flight like this, because by the time he come out for the flight from Florida, this a flight I don't know where name there. I think the train is about to stop, guys. I'm gonna go on the train now. So yes guys, I'm gonna go on. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So yes guys, I'm on the train. Guys, the worst thing to do is to be late for a flight and traveling through Atlanta airport. Because this airport is so big, you know. It is so big, guys. Still have like 5 more minutes to walk. Just to my flight now, let's make, which I have time still. But I don't like to be late, you know. I don't like to be late, guys. Isn't it? So yeah. I walk. I'm walking so fast. As you guys can see, I'm blowing very hard. Just so guys, this is so mine now. So white clothes. Me, I wonder. You know what I was thinking, guys, right? I'm not gonna say it. That's not nice. But anyway, see you guys when I'm on the plane. Guys, after all, I'm walking to go on the plane. So I don't know what that means. We catch the flight. You see me? I don't ever like to be late, but is the way all the connected flight set up. It's like 10 minutes apart. That was so dumb. After, you know, I over the phone book it, you know. I'm in there realize it. The flight is 10 minutes apart. So yes guys, as you can see, your girl just arriving to New York. And guys, it's my first time going to New York. I'm not gonna lie, it's my first time going to New York, and it was totally different from other places that I go. You understand? Guys, before you go down into this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like it, share it out, and please leave a comment on the outside. Don't just comment inside, please leave a positive comment on the outside.
YouTube channel.
So really good, guys. That's so good. Look on here, right the store, look on nice place. Look at
Beautiful.
the place is nice.
Beautiful. The bakers. Yes guys, as you can see, the plane land, but the stop as it. I'm actually at JFK in New York. So my guys, stay tuned. So guys, just leaving the aircraft.
So guys, as you can see, I came out to see what it's like, because people always say New York, it's like Jamaica. And guys, yes, I would actually live up here, because sometimes you can't take the driving, I like the walking. So look guys, this is the ferry. Right here, you have the ferry. Yes, people, look, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful New York place. Real nice. Nice like rice. Yes, people, look at that beauty. I want to listen to the sound of the water. So I'm not going to know my voice over. Just listen. So yes guys, this is close to the airport, JFK airport. As you can see, that's the beach close to the airport, guys. And guys, we are running super late, but anyway, I end up catch a flight. I never get to vlog when I arrive at the airport, because guys, I was hurrying, you know. Trust me, them change the gate and my things to the flight leave me. When we reach here, I was like, where's the plane, and they say, what flight you have? I tell them my flight number, and they say, oh, the flight, the gate change. Guys, my pass my gate all long, and the friggin' airport big, you know. And it's not like Atlanta airport where you can take the plane. You see me, it's not the same. So we can take the train, so I have to walk all these walking, guys. So now you see me reach, I'm gonna come off of the plane. I was super upset and I was super mad. Don't worry about my ear, guys. My ear messy, you know, messy bad. You see me? But don't worry about that, guys. But it have been my mask, then me I do this, then me I do that, and whatever. But anyway, the flight take up and it lands safe. And right so get into the video, guys. Look at that view. You see me? Yeah. Atlanta, I'm reach back in, guys.
I love my suitcase. It's pretty. Pretty boy. So guys, I'm going down the escalator. Whew. My grandmother ate this. She ate it with a passion. My grandmother ate this with a passion, guys. She don't like it. Yes.
Domestic baggage claim and ground transportation.
So guys, this airport is so big. You know, this airport, train, all kind of